So in the executive lounge, they do have a note saying kids 12 and below are not allowed. But if you ask for it politely, they do make an exception. Here's the hours. Afternoon tea is 3 to 5. And then dinner is 8 to 10. So I'm going to show you here what the dinner looks like. And it's on the 8th floor. They do have somebody here checking room numbers. So don't try to sneak anybody in. You will get caught. It's a very spacious place. A lot of room. And they do have a business center here. And kids are not allowed. So kids must have been really bad with these computers. Alright, so here we go. So they have Arabic rice. It looks like no meat. Yeah, no meat. They got lamb curry, spring rolls, potatoes, roasted potatoes, and fish and chips. They do have teas, drinks. Same setup over here, same thing. It's like they have 2 stations set up, which is good. Breads and rolls and soup. And then fruits and sweets. Famous Umandi. That's where the drinks are. You have water and Coke products. And then a salad station. With a cheese platter. Very fancy cheese platter. And there you go, folks. That's the executive lounge at Hilton Convention Center. So one thing I do not like about this hotel is you have to go to a lower level to get to the Haram. And there's only escalators. There's no elevators at all. So if you have somebody that's elderly or can't walk, and multiple times I've seen this escalator not work. So you can see the situation down there. You have to get out of the wheelchair to come up on the escalator. Or if you have a stroller, you have to get the kid out of the stroller. So not a fun situation. So there's no elevator at all. MashaAllah, they have some beautiful Qurans here on display on the way to Haram. And of course, this is the best view when you're coming out of the hotel, going to the Haram. They do have folks here that if you need help with this wheelchair assistant, they do have it here that you can pay them. Take it to Masjid al-Haram to do your Umrah. Now, one thing that I also do not like about this hotel is, so the hill right here, we're going down. But once you finish Umrah, coming up the hill, it's very, very difficult. It is not easy. It's like the most dreaded part. Now, if you need taxi to go to Masjid Aisha to do additional Umrahs, there's plenty of taxis here in the front. And of course, if you want to get access to the mall, once again, you have to walk down the hill. You go to this building right there that you can go to. Dawood is probably the most popular spot to go to. It's like a supermarket. But once again, you got to walk down the hill to get to it and walk up the hill. So not a fun experience, especially when it's like 100 degrees right now. Of course, the beautiful view of the clock tower as well.